Okay, dear students, our topic is Microsoft Excel window. This section will introduce you to the Excel window. To begin this section, start Microsoft Excel 2007 as follows. Here, click on Microsoft Start button. Find the mouse on all programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Next, click on Microsoft Excel 2007. Here, Microsoft Excel window appears and your screen looks similar to the and show here. First of all, the Microsoft Office button in the upper left corner of the Excel 2007 window is Microsoft Office button. When you click the button, a menu appears. You can use the menu to create a new file, open an existing file, save file, print and perform many other tasks. For example, left side చూడండి all programs, Microsoft Office, open. This is the ribbon, home, insert, page layout and data and review. This is called as the ribbon. Okay, right. The quick access toolbar next to the Microsoft Office button is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar gives you quick access to commands you frequently use. Here, title bar. Okay, next to the quick access toolbar is the title bar. On the title bar, Microsoft Excel displays the name of the workbook you are currently using. The ribbon, you use the ribbon to issue commands. The ribbon is located near the top of the Excel window. Below the quick access toolbar, here front group and dialog box launcher, buttons and home. Next one is worksheet. Microsoft Excel consists of worksheets. Each worksheet contains columns and rows. The columns are lettered A to Z and then continuing with AA, BB, AB, AC and so on. And the rows are numbered 1 to 1048576. The combination of column coordinate and array coordinate make up a cell address. For example, the cell located in the upper left corner of the worksheet is cell A1, meaning column A, row 1. Cell E8, E10 is located under column E, row 10. The formula bar like A1 if the formula bar is turned on, the cell address of the cell you are in display in the name box, which is located on the left side of the formula bar. Cell entries displays on the right side of the formula bar. This is status bar. The status bar appears at the very bottom of the Excel window and provides such information as sum, average, minimum and maximum value of selected numbers. Okay, next one is the move around a worksheet. By using the arrow keys, you can move around your worksheet. You can use the down arrow key to move downward, one cell at a time. You can use the up arrow key to move upward and cell at a time. You can use the tab key to move across the page to the right, one cell at a time. You can hold down shift key and then press the tab key to move the left, one cell at a time. You can use the right and left arrow keys to move right or left one cell at a time. The page up and page down keys move up and down one page at a time. If you hold down the control key and then press the home key, you move to the beginning of the worksheet.